Panoorin natin to. SB19's Grammy Museum performance, no? Could change everything. So ito yung parang magiging ano natin, no, kumbaga sequel doon sa sinabi ni Sir Casual Chuck doon sa about sa Grammy, yung mga performance ng SB19. So ito yung posible na pwedeng mangyari after ng mga invitation sa kanila sa SB19. So let's go. Panoorin natin
Moment
to.
that changes an artist's career doesn't happen in front of a massive festival crowd. What if it begins in a more intimate setting, surrounded by music executives, journalists, and devoted fans? That is why SB19's latest announcement has captured so much attention. The Grammy Museum has confirmed that SB19 will perform at Global Spin Live ahead of their highly anticipated appearance at
Ito na yun eh. Kumbaga kung ikaw yung haters, panoorin mo tong video na to, no? Kung bakit, explain sa'yo kung bakit yung mga sinasabi nyo na laos, washed, or irrelevant, no? Ito yung reason kung bakit dinidebunk namin yon na hindi totoo yan. Ito yung reason, no? Ito yung reason kung bakit sinasabi namin, kumbaga dinideflect namin yung mga binabato ng haters. So, yun.
Lollapalooza. On the surface, it may seem like another live performance. But within the music industry, events like this often carry far greater significance. They place artists in front of influential audiences, create valuable industry exposure, and can open doors to opportunities that extend well beyond a single performance. By the end of this video, you'll understand why many fans see this as a potential turning point in SB19's international journey. Before we continue, share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think performing at the Grammy Museum will help SB19 reach even more global fans before taking the stage at Lollapalooza? Now let's dive in. SB19's rise has been built through determination and steady progress. From overcoming early obstacles to becoming one of the Philippines' most recognized music groups, their path has been defined by persistence rather than shortcuts. Unlike many artists supported by major international labels from the beginning, SB19 earned their reputation through consistent performances, memorable music, and years of dedication. Alongside their talent, the unwavering support of Aten has played a vital role in helping them expand their reach.
Which is true. Yun yung sinasabi ko na yung 18 kasi hindi lang sila taga-protekta, taga-suporta rin talaga yan eh. Kung ano yung ilabas ng SB19, we consume it. Diba? Pinoprotektahan namin yan, sinusuportahan namin yan. So, hindi mo pwedeng ano talaga yan eh. Kasi worldwide, sabi natin, worldwide yung fan base na ng SB19. Hindi ganun kaliit lang, no? hindi basta-basta yung fan base ng SB19. Kaya sinasabi ko nga, kahit sa ibang music industry, subgenre ng music, kumbaga, napasok na ng impluensya ng SB19.
And continue breaking new ground. Every milestone along the way was earned through dedication, making each achievement even more meaningful. Now, another important opportunity has arrived. The Grammy Museum's Global Spin Live series highlights artists who are making an impact on today's international music scene. It is more than a live performance. It is a platform that introduces artists to influential audiences while showcasing their music, creativity, and cultural influence. An invitation to this stage reflects growing recognition within the industry. It signals that an artist's work is being noticed and respected.
Hello.
Now SB19 is stepping into that space. Take a moment to consider how significant that is. A Filipino group that began with limited opportunities, overcame years of challenges, and exceeded expectations.
Ito yung sinasabi ko nga nung kanina yung nag-umpisa tayo ng video no? Na bakit maraming haters kasi alam ng karamihan, alam ng 18, halos lahat ng 18 alam yung istorya ng SB19. Nag-umpisa talaga sila sa wala, no? Nag-umpisa sila sa pinaka level 1, no? Ng isang artist, no? Sinabi ko na, banggit ko na, doon natutulog sa studio, minsan kulang ang ulam, walang pagkain, walang pamasahe, di ba? So, andun lahat ng struggle eh. Kaya kung ano yung naabot ng 5, deserve nila yon, no? Deserve nila yon. Yung haters, andyan na yan. Kay sikat yan, kay hindi, alam nating may haters, pero yung achievement, sana wag na nating i-down, wag na nating ipagdamot sa 5 kasi pinaghirapan nila yan eh. Diba? Pinaghirapan nila yan. Lahat yan pinagtiisan nila, nagsakripisyo sila para dyan sa kung ano yung meron silang naabot ngayon.
is now performing for one of the world's most respected music institutions.
Yeah.
That alone is a remarkable milestone, but the timing makes it even more significant. SB19 will perform at the Grammy Museum just before taking the stage at Lollapalooza, creating an opportunity that could amplify their international.
And to think na after Lollapalooza tapos next Grammy, man, kumbaga yun yung tagumpay talagang kahit sino, yun yung yun yung hahangarin ng isang artist, 'di ba? Yung ganong klaseng tagumpay, yung ganong klaseng stage, yan ang hinahangad ng karamihan na mga artist. Hindi man nila sabihin yan, pero I'm sure yan yung hinahangad nilang stage makapag-perform once in their entire career.
Visibility. Lollapalooza is one of the world's most recognized music festivals, attracting major artists, global media, industry professionals, and fans from across the globe. It has become a place where many artists introduce themselves to entirely new audiences. This year, SB19 will have the chance to be part of that experience. Performing at the Grammy Museum first adds another layer to the story. It offers an opportunity to connect with journalists, industry insiders, and music enthusiasts before the festival begins. Imagine hearing about SB19 for the first time, attending their Grammy Museum performance, and then watching them step onto one of the biggest festival stages in the world just days later. That sequence could leave a lasting impression on many new listeners.
Yeah, totoo naman. Like, kung ngayon mo lang napakita or napakinggan si SB19 or ngayon mo lang sila nakita, sa Lollapalooza mo sila na napanood, syempre, like, ano yung reason, ano ba yung reason kung bakit inimbitahan si SB19? So, maku-curious ka, diba? So, damn, sabi, man, bakit inimbitahan tong grupo na to, no? So, ano ba yung nagawa nila, diba? So, maku-curious yung mga tao ngayon, diba? Maku-curious yung tao na pakinggan or panoorin or isi-research nila kung ano si SB19. So, doon pa lang malaking malaking platform na din talaga na madadagdagan talaga yung 18s possible, no? Posible.
Imagine experiencing SB19 live for the very first time. You hear their vocals, witness their stage presence, learn about their journey, and see the energy they bring to every performance.
Yeah.
By the time Lollapalooza begins, they are no longer unfamiliar artists. Now imagine that experience repeated across journalists, music critics, content creators, industry executives, and festival goers. Every new supporter they gain before the festival has the potential to increase the impact of their appearance. That is what makes the Grammy Museum performance so important.
Yeah.
It is more than another concert. It is an opportunity to build momentum before one of the world's biggest music festivals. Throughout their career, SB19 has
hindi lang sa magiging hindi lang siya yung magiging momentum para sa SB19 eh. Like ito yung sinasabi ito na yung kung maalala nyo yung kanta nila sa Visa, 'di ba? I think ito na yun eh. Ito na yung sinasabi ni Pablo na Pablo baka naman, 'di ba? I think ito na yun na dumating. Ito na yung chance, ito na yung opportunity na dumating na kung ano yung kinakanta nila sa Visa na like parang ito na talaga yung pinaka seal. Ito na yung seal of acceptance ng buong mundo na para sa SB19. I think ito na yon, no? Kung maalala niyo yung kanta ng SB19 which is yung Visa nga. So, ito na yung Visa nila. I think ito na yung Visa nila na I think 100% ma-approve to, no? Na ito na yung world domination possible, no? Ito na yung opportunity nila to dominate the P-pop industry, hindi lang dito sa atin pati na rin sa ibang mundo, sa buong mundo, no? Sa ibang bansa. So I guess and I'm guessing na ito na yon.
Consistently delivered when the stakes were high.
And syempre masaya tayo para sa kanila.
Each major stage has given them another chance to showcase their talent, professionalism, and ability to connect with audiences.
Yeah.
That combination sets them apart
kasi
because
lahat tayong Pilipino nakaka-relate dito sa lahat ng kanta nila. Man,
lasting impressions are created through the complete performance, where vocals, choreography, stage presence, and emotion come together as one. Artists who achieve global recognition often leave audiences with memorable performances that stay with them long after the show ends. SB19 has demonstrated that ability throughout their career, and this event gives them another opportunity to do the same. One of the most compelling aspects of the Grammy Museum performance is its intimate setting. While large festivals deliver massive energy, smaller venues allow audiences to appreciate every detail.
Yeah, kasi yung medyo closed venue, syempre parang medyo privado, kumbaga talaga para tayo lang, parang family gathering. Pero pag ganito naman, talagang sobrang lahat yung kumbaga absorb yung buong performance namin, no? Eto na yun.
Every vocal, every lyric, every interaction, and every emotion becomes more noticeable. Performances in settings like these often highlight an artist's true strengths because the focus remains on the music itself. That is an environment where SB19 has consistently excelled. Their ability to connect with listeners through genuine emotion and expressive performances has become one of their defining qualities, whether they are delivering powerful anthems or heartfelt ballads. That connection becomes especially meaningful when introducing SB19 to new listeners around the world. Beyond the music, this moment also
and I'm sure maraming mahahakot na fans tong SB19 once na makapag-perform after yung performance nila sa Lollapalooza, and again as well as sa Grammy Museum, no, kasi hindi lang din talaga yon as a pop, hindi lang yung pop genre kasi kung hindi lahat ng genre kasi pwedeng magpe-perform doon so makikilala siya ng ibang fan ng ibang genre. So yeah, malaking exposure talaga yon para sa SB19, no. At saka sa Lollapalooza din, same ang magiging impact. Same ang magiging impact nun sa career ng SB19.
Carries a deeper significance. It reflects the growing recognition of Filipino talent on the international stage.
Yeah.
For years, many fans have hoped to see more Filipino artists earn global opportunities, and SB19 has become one of the leading faces of that progress. Every milestone they achieve helps increase awareness of Filipino music and creates new possibilities for others to follow. That is why so many people feel personally invested in their journey. Their success represents more than one group's achievements. It reflects the continued rise of Filipino artistry, and that makes every international accomplishment even more meaningful. As the event draws closer, anticipation continues to build. Fans are spreading the news across social media, discussing possible setlists, and wondering what surprises SB19 might have in store. Could they unveil something unexpected? Could they deliver a performance that captures the attention of the wider music industry?
Yeah, as usual naman, alam naman natin yung capacity ng SB19 pagdating sa mga live performances. I'm sure kung ano yung napanood namin doon sa Wakas at Simula Trilogy Concert, I'm sure mas malakas pa yon kasi hindi na mga Pilipino ang audience doon kundi international audience na yon. So I think kung 100% yung performance nila nung Wakas at Simula sa SMDC, I think aabot pa yun ng 1,000% yung magiging performance nila, di ba? Kasi tayo mga Pilipino, ano na natin sila, accepted na natin si SB19, pero syempre mas malawak na audience, anong tawag mo dito, mas malawak na audience ang kailangan nilang kumbaga maingganyo, no, na pakinggan sila at mapakinggan sila, mapanood sila. So I think mas dodoblehin pa ng SB19 ang magiging performance nila from the past performances nila ng mga nakaraang concert. So yeah,
the possibilities have fueled growing excitement. What is certain is that expectations are higher than ever. Fortunately, SB19 has repeatedly shown that they perform at their...
Siyempre, expectation, kung ako manonood ngayon sa Lollapalooza, expected ko na kasi napanood ko na sila. Pero siyempre, madalas kasi madalas sabihin ni Pablo na kailangan pa nilang lagpasan yung mga past performance nila, di ba? So, I'm guessing and I'm thinking na gagawin nga nila yan sa Lollapalooza at sa Grammy Museum performance nila. So,
best when the stakes are highest. Some of their most memorable appearances have come during pivotal moments, earning them increasing respect from both fans and industry observers.
Yeah.
In music, long-term success is built through momentum. One standout performance often leads to another opportunity, and each new stage can become the beginning of something even bigger. Each milestone brings new supporters, and every new supporter helps strengthen momentum.
Yeah.
Over time, that steady progress can elevate an artist to a level few once imagined. SB19's Grammy Museum appearance has the potential to become another important step in that journey, especially because it takes place just before Lollapalooza. Together, the two events
syempre, imaginein mo, no? Kasi after 2 days, magpe-perform sila sa Grammy Museum. So, ibig sabihin, andun pa rin yung andun pa yung hype. Hindi pa mag-die down yung hype nung performance nila. No, so andun pa rin. I'm sure yung adrenaline ng SB19 andun pa din after 2 days performance ulit nila. So that's a good para sa akin good timing yon para sa Grammy and the Lollapalooza, 'di ba, as well. Kasi kumbaga andun pa yung gigil na noon. I'm sure andun pa yung gigil, andun pa yung adrenaline nila noon. Kasi 2 days lang yung 2 days lang yung pagitan. So yeah, maganda magiging I think magiging maganda yung performance pa nila sa Grammy.
Create a compelling sequence. First comes an intimate showcase before industry professionals and media, followed by a performance on one of the world's biggest festival stages. It presents an opportunity to introduce SB19 to new audiences and then immediately demonstrate why they deserve global attention. If that momentum continues, the effects could extend well beyond these events. More listeners may discover their music, media interest could grow, streaming numbers may increase, and additional international opportunities could follow.
Yeah.
While no one can predict exactly what happens next.
Kung ikaw yung event organizer, like ikaw event organizer or anything na mag-organize ka ng mga musical events gaya nito. Kung itong artist na to, nakita mo na sa Lollapalooza, maganda yung reception ng audience. Nakita mo sila sa Grammy Museum and again maganda yung pagtanggap ng mga tao. Sa tingin mo ba hindi kukunin ko 'to o hindi? 'Di ba? Sa tingin mo ba mamimili pa ako? Man, ito yung hinahanap-hanap ng tao eh. 'Di ba? Ito yung gusto ng tao na makita sa stage. Ito yung gusto ng tao na i-spend nila yung kanilang pera para manood, para ma-entertain even in one night. 'Di ba? So kung ako yung event organizer, no doubt na ito na yung kukunin ko. Sila na yung kukunin ko. No doubt na yon. Sige, kunin nyo na yan. Diba? Kasi nakita mo na yung performance na na-invite na sa international, sa biggest summer event, musical event sa US. Diba? Hindi lang sa US kasi Grammy pa yan, man. Grabe pa. So, no doubt na. Hindi na ako magdadalawang isip. Sige, kunin nyo na yan. Wala na tayong hindi na natin kailangan pang maghanap ng ibang artist. Andiyan na, nakalatag na sa atin, di ba? Di ba? And syempre kung isipin mo, on business aspect naman, malaking business pag si SB19 talaga yung kukunin nyo. I'm sure yung ticket niyan, sold out agad, di ba? Di ba? I'm sure masusold out agad yung ticket niyo yan. Dahil sa dami nga ng fans ng SB19 eh. And yung mga fans na yung pati talagang isinasa puso nila yung pagiging fans, no? Diba? Isinasa puso talaga ng mga 18 yung pagiging fan nila sa SB19, diba? So, yeah. Caps Crystal, kakasimula pa ba ng live, kuya? I think mag-iisang oras na tayo, Caps.
The potential surrounding this moment is difficult to ignore. The music industry is constantly evolving, and opportunities like this are rare. SB19 has earned the chance to step into this moment through years of dedication and consistent growth. As both performances draw closer, excitement continues to rise. The spotlight is becoming brighter, expectations are growing, and the potential ahead is greater than ever.
Yeah.
Now the focus shifts to what comes next. Will their Grammy Museum performance win over new listeners? Will Global Spin Live build even more momentum before Lollapalooza?
And hindi lang yun. Kasi, I think currently, hanggang ngayon, ang dami ko na rin na naman na nakikita na bagong listener ng SB19. Kahit nga hindi sila medyo nagpapahinga yung SB19 ngayon. Nagpe-prepare sila para sa performance nila this coming month, di ba? I think Ngayon, I think marami ako nakikitang bagong listeners and bagong reactors ng SB19 sa YouTube, no? Dumadami na sila. So with that kind of people na nagre-react sa SB19, yung mga members or yung mga subscribers ng mga channel na yon sa YouTube na hindi kilala sa SB19, so mabibigyan din nila ng way na makilala yung SB19. Diba? So, doon pa lang, kahit hindi pa sila nakakapag-perform, ngayon pa lang dumadagdag na sila eh. Diba? What more pa kung maganap na yung Lollapalooza tsaka yung sa Grammy, diba? So, syempre, expected na namin yon na marami na ulit kaagaw sa ticket, no? Sa merch, diba?
Could these appearances become another defining chapter in their journey, or perhaps something even greater? Those answers will come with time. What is already clear is that SB19 is no longer simply joining global conversations. They are becoming a group that more people around the world are paying attention to. They are becoming an important part of the global music conversation.
Yeah.
With every performance, every new audience, and every international opportunity, SB19 continues showing how talent, determination, and consistent hard work can reach far beyond national borders. The Grammy Museum performance is just around the corner, and Lollapalooza follows soon after. Two major stages, one exciting moment, and a worldwide audience ready to watch what happens next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more SB19 news, updates, and global milestones.
Yeah.
Before you go, share your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe the Grammy Museum performance will set the stage for a career-defining moment at Lollapalooza? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Okay, so sa akin kasi ano lang yan eh. Hindi kasi nakaset na yung kumbaga para sa akin yung audience kasi ni SB19 nakaset na siya, nakalatag na eh. Yung fans, no? Yung following, yung pangalan ng SB19, matunog na talaga siya. Kahit hindi pa siya nakakapag-perform sa dalawang event nila. Pero sigurado yan na after ng performance nila sa dalawang big musical event na yan, I'm sure na mas lalawak pa yung audience ng SB19. No, mas dadami pa, no? Mas lalawak yung audience, mas dadami yung magiging follower, mas maraming magiging interesado sa napakinggan yung SB19, mas maraming magiging interesado na kunin ang SB19 sa mga susunod na musical events na gaganapin in the future, no? I'm sure mangyayari lang lahat ng 'yan. Pero para sa akin ngayon kasi established na yung pangalan ng SB19, no? Pero dahil sa nalalapit nilang performance, I'm sure mas dadami pa yung offer na mag-guest ang SB19, na marami yung offer na kukunin sila na mag-perform sa mga next musical event. So again, may enhance pa rin naman yan. As kumbaga mas lalawak pa, mas dadami pa yung magiging suporta. Mas marami pang producers ang mas magiging interesado sa SB19 after ng performance nila. So